Hi guys, today let's discuss this DEX market wherein we can observe AI, stocks, precious metal. We'll also discuss these Paddock Suit access and USDT rewards. This is a campaign especially for those who are interested to watch F1 live in China or Japan. And then again, this video is a global discussion. If you want to update the current subtitle, you can just click the closed captions and then go to settings and then update your language. So dito nga guys ay makikita natin sa my market. Ayan. So recently added itong AI. So as per observation, ito ay sa base, no. Meron ding Solana. Ayan. So base and Solana. And as we observe, we can see some decent percentage here. So market cap. And as we observe the liquidity, transactions, number of holders. Ayan. So, like for example, this one AVA. So, community recognized. Hindi pa ito na-list sa mga centralized exchange. Ay meron na dito sa DEX to. So, good thing lang siguro dito dahil nakasort na yung AI. Ayan. As well as stocks. Ang daming mga curious, no? Ano nga ba yung andito available. This one guys is nakapeg lang sa crypto na yung chain niya is like, for example, this one, I think this is BNB chain. Ayan. And if ever man na iselect natin ito, makikita naman natin yung status niya if it's market open or market close, no? So right now, since weekend, this one tag as market close, no? So, dito lang yan, makikita sa market. And then, you can go to stocks. And then, AI. Isa lang siguro dito sa napansin natin is that wala siyang pinaka-verification, no? So, you can just explore without verification. So, kung gusto mo i-check yung pina-price, you can just go lang dito. And then, like for example, Toyota. So, ito yung pina-price ni Toyota right now. 244 USDT. So, this is on the daily time frame. So, makikita mo na siya dito, no? Makikita mo yung pinaka-price niya. So, let's go back to market. So, for the AI naman, ito nakasort naman siya. So, yung mga low market cap, makikita natin dito. And other details pa, no? So, yeah, a potential AI sector on DEX. Some of this pair is wala pa sa mga centralized exchange. Pero available na dito sa DEX, no? So, yun yung isa sa mga na-observe natin dito. So, Starkbot, GSD, Loria. Again, guys, I just sharing my experience dito, sharing some observations. And then again, this video is just for ideas lang for reference. And does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. As mentioned, I just share my experience and answer your questions, feedbacks dito, guys, no? So, yun yung mga available dito. Like on the AI sector, there's only a few available dito. And chain is base Solana, no? So, yun. Share ko na rin yung pinaka-details dito sa especially sa mga interested with F1. So, meron ditong campaign na Win Paddock Suit Access. I think this one is on the Paddock and USDT rewards, no? So, you can just select join now lang. On the grid, pit stop challenge, and then fuel up yung mga available criterias dito. So, you can win PNL amount like on the rank 1 sa first trade day na ticket or first race day na ticket. Rank 2, ayan, meron kang ticket for the race day. And yung pinaka-rank 4 is on the qualifying day ticket, no? So, sa PNL percentage naman, you can win the qualifying day ticket. Rank 1 and rank 2. Total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 tickets dito. If ever man na nakuha mo itong PNL amount na winners, you can win this F1 race day tickets, no? So, dito guys, makikita natin. So, kung sakali na mag-top 1 ka dito sa may PNL, you can have this race day ticket, no? Hanggang rank 5. So, yung campaign na ito will end, if I'm not mistaken, 14 days, no? So, sa PNL percentage naman, ayan, if ever na mag-top or rank 1, rank 2 ka, you can get this qualifying day ticket sa F1. No? So, right now, medyo dominant yung McLaren na partnered with OKX. Naging constructors, champion sila. And then, naging champion din si Lando Norris, no? Wherein, isa sa mga main driver ng McLaren. So, aside from that, you can also win ng USDT, 1,000 USDT, 200 USDT rewards, trading bonus, and andito naman yung pinaka-warm-up criteria sa baba. You can read, you can explore this one, guys, if you are interested, no? So, you can check this one. If ever na eligible ka, pwede mo itong i-check lahat ng mga campaigns dito sa baba, no? So, the terms and condition, it's very useful to read this one. Andito yung mga terms nila and conditions and other criteria pa, no? So, yun guys, hope you get some insights, ideas sa video na to. You can explore this one. If you are interested, lalagay ko yung pinaka-official global link sa description ng video na ito, guys, no? Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.